Hi everyone, my name is Shannon Worthman and this is my video about hypersensitivity reactions. So there's 4 different types of hypersensitivity reactions. In general, a hypersensitivity reaction is just any sort of exaggerated immune response to a foreign agent, or what the body thinks is a foreign agent. So a common example of this is an allergy. That's a hypersensitivity reaction in your body. So I found a nice little mnemonic device in order to help remember the 4 types, because they're all different, but they're similar in some ways, and I don't know, it's hard to remember stuff sometimes, so I really like mnemonic devices. So the one that I found is acid, and as you can see, the first hypersensitivity will go with the letter A in acid because the first type of hypersensitivity is an allergic reaction. So this is your anaphylaxis. Also, it's mediated by IgE, which, as we know, goes with allergic reactions, eosinophils, all those sorts of things that go along with allergic reactions. So this happens immediately. And an example would be a bee sting or a reaction to peanuts. That's the first one. Next is type 2 hypersensitivity, which would go with the letter C in acid, because it's cytotoxic. It's tissue specific. It's also immediate, just like type 1. It's mediated by IgG and IgM antibodies, and the major or the primary effector cells are macrophages. An example of this would be Graves' disease or a transfusion reaction. The next type of hypersensitivity is type 3. It goes with the letter I in acid. This is because it has to do with immune complexes, so the antigen-antibody complex that's formed when the immune system is activated. It's also immediate. It's mediated by IgG and IgM as well. The neutrophils are the effectors, and but it's not organ specific. So rheumatoid arthritis is an example of this that I thought was really interesting. The last one is type 4. It's a delayed response, so the letter D in acid. It is the only one that's delayed, and it's also the only one that doesn't involve antibodies as mediators. It's cell-mediated by cytotoxic T lymphocytes and T helper 1 cells. So poison ivy is an example of this one.